Rally Tourer Extreme. Presence that is commanding the levitating reflectors and the light blades. It's the RTX D4 engine. It's both water cooling and oil cooling and assistant slipper clutch. A strong steel trellis frame. It's a upside down 41 inches front fork, and that comes with adjustable damping. The rear is with a mono gas charge and a 320 millimeters diameter pedal disc at the front. So for long adventure touring, the cruise control is built. So there are 4 ride modes: Tour, Rally, Urban, and there is Rain. Engine, there are 2 operating modes, Tour and Rally, and on the ABS there are 3 modes, and on the traction control there are 2 modes. It's first ever in the segment. You get hands-free voice and music control and the GoPro control. There are smart controls on the handlebar, powered by Google. It's always on when you do the map mirroring. The lag is 0. The SmartX Connect offers advanced ride analytics,